Yeah, yeah. Computing does not make a person a noun. Person, place, or thing. Person, place, or thing. If I compute, I'm not a noun. If I compute, it does not make me a noun. If I compute, I'm not a noun. Computing does not make a person a noun. If I compute, I'm not a computer. If I sing, I'm not a singer. If I process, it does not make me a processor. Got a Joan Ferrio, ay. If I compute, I'm not a computer. And if I process, I'm not a processor. And if I calculate, I'm not a calculator. And if I sing, it does not make me a singer. And if I rap, it does not make me a rapper. I'ma go to Pasabe. Never had a knowing definition. Go annotate. A adjective, no inherent fate. I don't gotta know it fate. Yo, I am not a computer. If I compute, I'm so bad. Anything that computes is not a computer. I'm ahead again, going by the shooter. Yeah. Many days where people got killed because of this verb. Days where people got killed because of the definition of the word computer. Yeah, yo. If I compute, it does not make me a computer. If I sing, it does not make me a singer. And if I rap, it does not make me a rapper. And if I calculate, it does not make me a calculator. I'll go, Ricky, I'll go, Ricky, I will go. Yeah, if I compute, it does not make me a computer. If I process, it does not make me a processor. If I calculate, it does not make me a calculator. And if I sing, then I'm not a singer. Even if I do those things, it does not make me those things. This is humans are not computers, TV. What are you talking about? If I compute, it does not make me a computer. Even with the word "er" at the end, you're still not a computer. If I compute, I'm not a computer. Trying to sell these drugs to them aftertaste of men. Gotta show them, bro, right. If I compute, I'm not a computer. Trying to make all this money, and I cry with a steak, and I'm brave with a potion on an act to the brace. Never had it taken down, never way. Thinking about it now, a place or thing you won't pray. Person, place, or thing you never gotta be and take. If I compute, I'm not a computer. And if I sing, I'm not a singer. And if I process, I'm not a processor.